This is about to be the most dad video I've ever made. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Hund The Hound here to talk to you today about smoking. Well, food, not marijuana. You damn kids in your reefer madness. You thought I was talking about something else, didn't you? First of all, we're smoking chicken thighs that we vacuum sealed and marinated in this bag overnight with herb and garlic. Focus. Okay. Whatever. Herb and garlic stuff from Kroger's. Now, this process is delicate, takes 3 to 5 hours, takes a lot of knowledge to know what's going on with the smoker. I'm going to give you some of that basic knowledge and teach you along the way as we're doing it of what's going on. And hopefully you guys can try this out yourself and make some really good food. Now, some of the stuff that my family has smoked forever is turkey for Thanksgiving, ribs, chicken. We make chicken, soak them in barbecue sauce, put them in the smoker. Best thing ever. It also makes the food last longer, which is why the process was invented in the first place. It slow cooked it. The smoke would put a nice flavor into it, and the food would last a long time. So if you want more history on that, Google it. There's tons of things to learn about it that I don't even know yet. I just know the basic process. So thank you guys, and here we go. Now, I've obviously picked the most windiest day to film this on, but this is your basic smoker. This is the food goes on the top, wood and water in the bottom with the burner. Some are electric, some are propane. At my old house, we actually had it hooked up to natural gas, so we could smoke all day. This is the top part where the food goes in, and let's get some more detail shots where it really matters. Okay, so this is where all the magic happens in the smoker. In the bottom here we have the firebox that holds all the wood. We've got apple wood chips that have been soaking here, and they just kind of go into there. I'm going to fill it up a little bit more. And then what happens is the fire is right underneath it as I break everything. And it puts smoke up, and there's water in this pan. What happens is while the juices and stuff drip off the food, it kind of boils back up with the water and actually keeps the food really moist. A lot of people don't actually put water in it. They just use it as a drip pan, and they wonder why their food gets dry. It's because the moisture's not boiling back up into the food. So we're going to keep the fire low around 200 degrees, and that should take about 3 to 5 hours to cook. So let's get the food in there. So we're going to start getting this hot. We're going to get it up to temperature before we put the food in. Make sure it's good and smoky before we get it rolling. We've got 4 hours to get this done before dinner. Now, boys and girls, I also found out that this thermometer isn't working worth shit. So we're going to have to watch it with a temp gun. Now, as you can tell, this thing's smoking, so it's ready to get going. Ooh, yeah, look at that. So we're going to put it higher up so that the chicken doesn't get done too quickly. These are our chicken thighs. We're going to keep it with the skin up. They get nice and crispy. That's how we prefer it. Just Bob Ross that shit. Happy trees. And we might have to put some on the bottom. The smoker's a little bit smaller than what I'm used to. I'm used to one that's double the size of this. Come on. I hate to put some lower, but maybe we'll just have those for people who like their chicken a bit more well done. Happy trees. And there we go. I'm going to close it up. Don't burn yourself. And we're going to let it rip. Okay, so we're probably about 2 hours in, hour and a half. A little bit longer left to go. And here's what it looks like inside. Still going strong. It's not smoking right now because the wood burnt out, so I put more wood in it and we're waiting for it to continue. Hope I don't need any more. I'm out of wood. Okay, Lily's gonna do the honors here of opening it up and trying it up.
Ooh, look at that.
You know, beautiful little nuggets of meat.
Oof. Flavor should be good too.
Yep, nice and juicy. So here's all the flavor on the bottom that's been dripping up and boiling up from the heat. You can actually make a broth out of this too. Ooh, you guys can't even smell how good this is.
It smells really good.
The smoke and the urban chicken, really good.
Oof. This should be really, really good. Oh. There we go.
Okay.
That's it. Let's shut that.
And let's go in and taste one. Okay, the official taste test for Lily. How's the skin? Is it good?
That's what I'm about to do. Oh, the skin snake. Perfect. Mmm.
Very good. That's good. Now try some of the meat. Just pick at it. Tear it apart.
Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Can you taste the lemon or the herb and garlic, whatever I picked?
Yeah, and then I can taste the apple wood that you use to smoke. Mm.
So it looks like it's raw, but with the pink. But what that is actually a smoke ring. The chicken is officially cooked. That's just the smoke. It makes that redness. So that's how you know you did a good job.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Oh, damn.
You did good for your first
Oh,
time.
that's really juicy, too. Holy cow.
Yeah, you see all that juice coming out.
Oh, yeah, that's really good.
Oh, yeah. This is, like, perfect. Mm.
Okay, well. Now dinner.
Yes. Finish cooking Brussels sprouts.
Yay. Hund the Hound here again. So, the chicken turned out pretty good. Took a little bit longer. I ran out of wood, so I didn't get to smoke it as long. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys try to do stuff on your own. Try different things. Explore the world. Have fun with it. And do it in fursuit, because it's more fun that way. So, thank you guys very much, and have a good day. Bye.